YouTube? It's your boy JF6P. We back with another video. We're gonna install this front lip on my Type R because this right here, it don't look that great. I got my dog with me, a little puppy Luna. So she gonna help me out with this install. So if you guys have followed the channel so far, we just finished installing these carbon fiber fenders. Look at that. And look at this side. Bro, tell me that don't look sick. And now with this front lip, it's gonna look even better. This is the one I got. Put the box down. There we go. It wasn't much. I think I got this for like 180 bucks online. So it wasn't that bad. So I'm gonna install it real quick, and then, bro, this car's coming along perfect. So once I'm done with the lip, like legit next week, I'm gonna start wrapping the car. And then after that's done, if I save enough money, I can probably get a carbon fiber hood too for it. But we'll see. But let's get going with this install. Shouldn't take that long, probably like 20 minutes or so. I'll set up the camera right there so you guys can see it, and then we'll get to work. This is how it's looking. So I'm assuming this one goes right here. Yes sir, that's how it goes. That does look way better. That goes there. So put it here. Then this one goes in the middle. Wait, hold up. Let me fix this up. I don't want to drag it. I don't want to scratch these things. That goes there. That goes there. And then that goes right there. That's how it looks. Sure, hey, that looks good, man. It's gonna look better once I put it in the car. Should I put a 3M tape on this, like double-sided tape? It didn't come with any, so I don't know. I hope I have some. If I do have some, I'll put it on. If not, I'll just screw it on like that. Hopefully it's okay. Oh, I don't have any 3M tape. Like any double-sided tape. I'm sure it'll be okay. It screws on, so it should be fine. But let's get to work. So you guys saw it. That's how it looks. Looks really good. Hey, for 150 bucks? For 150 bucks, it wasn't that bad. Well, let's put the camera now right there, and we'll get to work. Okay, so I'm just pretty much putting these screws on so that it stays still. It ain't that hard. Look, so just grab your gun. Grab the bolt. Wait. No, let me put the camera right here. There we go. Put that right there. So just gotta grab the lip, pull both sides of the lip, put it right there. Bro, what the heck? There we go. Wait, let me make sure it's lined up. There we go, it's lined up. So that's one. And then there should be, it's right here, another one for the bottom portion. Alright, so that's done. And then this is how, this is how it looks right now. So I'm gonna go put it in the car now. Alright, so now we just gotta put this bumper up, and like I was saying, you do have to drill into it. But yeah, does that line up? Yep, okay. So up on the, put it up. Screw right here on this one. No, in the middle. And just so you guys know, we're professionals at this. There we go. We got one in. Now, if you're asking me, I think we should put, well, if you guys are gonna do this, no. If you guys are gonna do this, just don't be like me and put 3M tape on it. Put some double-sided tape on it. But I don't have any, so I'm just doing it like this. There we go. And that's how you do it. Now we're gonna do the other corner. You guys want to hear a funny story? My brother, in his GR86, that man, I bought him a lip for his birthday, right? And he didn't want to bolt it down because he was scared to drill into the bottom bumper. And then a week later, his lip just fell like halfway down the road. So if you guys would ask me for some advice, I would say drill into it, because if not, your lip is gonna fall off and you just wasted $200 for nothing. So don't be like my brother and drill these screws in. Like, it's not even taking that long to do. It's pretty short. And no, you don't have to lift the car. It does make it easier, but if you got power tools, you're fine. You'll be alright. You'll be alright. That's that. Just got a few more. We're done with it. Bro, this looks way better. Way better. Look at that. Hey. Only thing is missing, bro, it's missing a carbon fiber hood and then that wrap. And low key, I've seen some, I forgot what they're called. The winglets? No, they're not. It's not winglets. Wing risers. I think they're called wing risers. I've seen some from on PRL. So we can raise this wing up like another 2 inches. I think it's 2 or 3 inches. I forgot. That'll look dope too. That, and then when I do wrap it, I'm gonna wrap this the same color as the wrap. I think it'll look way better. But bro, this front end looks way more aggressive. What you guys think? Look at this. Yes or no? Hey, yo, this car is coming along. So if you guys are liking the content, drop a follow, subscribe, comment, like, and then we'll see you guys in the next one.